Hi friends, welcome to today's video lesson. Today we are doing this Earth Day worksheet and you can do it with me. If you click the link below or scan this QR code, you'll be brought to my website where you can print this worksheet for free and print it and do it with me here today. For free and do it with me here today. The first part of this worksheet is writing your name in the name spot. My name is Miss Happy. What is your name? It's great to see you today. So let's look at this first box. It has an earth in it. How many earths do you see in this box? We see one earth, so let's go ahead and circle the number 1. The next box has recycling bins. How many recycling bins do you see in this box? There is 1, 2, 3 recycling bins. Can you circle the number 3? Wonderful job. Now let's look at the square that has the trees in it. How many trees do you see? One, 2. There are 2 trees in this box. Let's circle the number 2. Nice work! And now the last box has fish in it. How many fish can you count? Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 fish. Let's go ahead and circle the number 5. Great job! We finished the worksheet. We found 1 earth, 3 recycling bins, 2 trees, and 5 fish. Thanks so much for working with me today. And I hope you have a great Earth Day and you get to learn all about how to take care of our beautiful Earth. And remember, you can see any of my other videos for more learning fun. I look forward to next time. Happy learning! Bye!